Hello everyone, welcome to Workstatus. In this video, we are going to understand the bill rate, invoicing and expenses inside the budget. For that, you have to come up to the side menu, click on the financials, and under financial just to click on the budgets. You can always click on the budget name and you are landed to a budget screen where you can see the details of the budget via the bar graph, and you can even go to the projects and you can click on the three dots, come up to the financials, and you are landed here. Let's talk about the bill rate. Once you have set the bill rate while making the budget, you can even change the bill rate of a specific member by changing here. These are the list of the members which are the part of the project, and you can even change the bill rate specifically with the budget associated from this specific place. You can click against this name. The bill rate option is open. Here you can edit the bill rate and you can change the currency. You can mention from which rate it has to be applied from today, or it has to be a custom date. You can mention the date as well, and it will give you the logs of every changes that you are going to make here. Similar goes for the pay rate also. The pay rate gets updated from here. You can mention it as a custom or you can apply it from today, and every changes in this is going to give you a log here. You can click on update and the bill rate get updated with respect to the specific member against the specific budget. So this was all about the bill rate. Thank you.